Hi, Clay Moore, Parts Manager of Industrial Power here in Fort Worth, Texas. We're your authorized OEM for Hino, Isuzu, Autocar, Cummins engines, and Allison transmissions. Here you'll see we stock a variety of parts, starting from your preventative maintenance onto your heavy overhauls, and a long list of aftermarket options. Industrial Power has been servicing the DFW area for over 37 years, and we're still running strong. When you come to visit us here at our Fort Worth location, you'll see our main entrance right off of North Beach Street. You'll follow this path here through the gate onto our main parts and service building. When you enter the main building, you can come to the front counter and a parts advisor will be there to help you. For faster service, you can always call ahead and we'll have your items ready for you in will call. It's recommended before you arrive you have your make, model, and VIN so that we can make sure you have the right parts for the job. And please keep in mind we offer same-day delivery for all of our customers here in DFW. If you have any more questions, you can visit us online at iptruck.com. And don't forget, follow us on our Facebook, LinkedIn, and give us a like on our YouTube channel. Thanks, and have a great day.